Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Milk frother. The milk frother is a must-have tool for creating creamy, cafe-style beverages at home. Its powerful motor whips milk into rich, velvety foam in seconds, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolate. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle and store. The stainless steel whisk ensures durability and easy cleaning. With one-touch operation, it delivers effortless frothing every time. Elevate your coffee experience with this convenient and versatile milk frother. Deep fryer pot. The deep fryer pot is a compact and efficient tool for frying your favorite foods at home. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly crispy results. The built-in thermometer helps maintain precise temperatures, ideal for frying chicken, tempura, or fries. Its lid reduces oil splatter, keeping your kitchen clean and safe. Designed with a pour spout, it allows for easy oil disposal and storage. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for small kitchens or occasional frying needs. Drink maker. The drink maker and margarita machine is perfect for crafting refreshing beverages at home. With powerful blending capabilities, it creates smooth margaritas, slushies, and cocktails in minutes. The large pitcher ensures ample servings, ideal for parties or gatherings. Adjustable settings let you customize the texture and consistency of your drinks. Its sleek design and easy-to-clean components add convenience and style to any kitchen. Elevate your entertaining with this versatile and fun drink-making machine. Electric griddler. The electric ceramic titanium griddle offers a durable and efficient cooking surface for all your meal needs. Its ceramic titanium coating ensures even heat distribution and a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. The large, flat surface is perfect for pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more, ideal for family breakfasts or gatherings. Adjustable temperature controls allow precise cooking for various dishes. The removable drip tray collects excess grease, promoting healthier cooking. Stylish and easy to maintain, this griddle is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Meat and potato masher. The meat and potato masher is a versatile kitchen tool designed for effortless mashing and mixing. Its sturdy, beveled blades break down ground meat, potatoes, and more with ease. Made from durable, heat-resistant materials, it's perfect for use on stovetops and non-stick cookware. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during use. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it simplifies meal prep and cleanup. Perfect for creating smooth mashed potatoes or evenly cooked ground meat, it's a must-have for every kitchen.